Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa. Thank you so much for joining me for this first impression of the Lime Crime 10th birthday palette. Is that what it was? The 10th anniversary? Let me look. Here we go. 10th birthday palette. So it's the 10th birthday palette. Throwback to OG Lime Crime with super colorful shadows. Pressed shadow palette. Pressed pigment shadow palette. Sprinkled with pigments and glitters in 12 new shades and 4 finishes. Iridescent shimmer, matte sparkle, and glow. I thought I got, oh, the glow. Okay, so the glow ones are the actual matte ones. So they're more of a satin finish. So I felt like I was just talking to myself. Okay guys, so today we're going to do swatches of this palette. I did film this look for you guys, and then my first impression. This is obviously not a review. This is the first time I've used it. Here is what the inside of the palette looks like. So it's definitely a rainbow adjacent palette. And I got this, so this retails for $44. I picked this up when I was going to make a purchase with my rewards points and 20% off coupon. It's when I purchased the Norvina and Sweet Nothings palette. Did I do a haul video on that? I don't know if I did or not. Okay, first of all, my low buy your video is up. So this stuff was all purchased before that. This video, I don't know when this video is going up. But I was just thinking when I was filming this that I've got orders that haven't come yet. From December that are going to be hauls in January, so they were purchased before January. Anyways, so back to when I purchased this. This is a $44 palette. I would probably not have paid $44 for it. It was half price that day that I was ordering those things, so I thought, you know what? I did kind of like it. I'll go ahead and try it. So I got it 20% off, so it was around $17, but I used my rewards points, so it was free, so it took up $17 of my rewards points, which I'm fine with. So I'm going to go ahead and do some swatches of this. I have played around a little bit with it, and so obviously I did this look, so I know that I like how it shows up on the eyes better than the swatches are of the shades that I've used so far, because when I swatched it, since I've gotten it, each time I swatch it, I'm kind of like, that's probably going to go back to the store because the swatches aren't that great, but on the eyes, it looks much better. Also, I don't know when this video is going up, but you've probably already seen my new hair by now. This is just the cut. I explained it in a will I buy it video. Okay, moving on. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you, and then I'm going to get into the look. Let's get started. So I'm just going to start with the top row. We've got Rosebud and Frosting, RSVP, and 10. So you can see, like, these ones, I don't feel like they swatch very well. Well, they look better now, huh? They look great on the eyes, though. This is Blue Sky, Grass, I used that one today, Lime Crime, and Candles. So this one doesn't swatch very well either, but I haven't used that one yet. And then the last row is Cloud, Tunicorn, and Libra, and Wrapped. So I feel like these lighter shimmery ones are the ones that don't swatch as well, but they may end up being more of a shadow topper. So I'm definitely going to be doing another look to play with those, but these are all the swatches from this Lime Crime 10th birthday palette. It is a very beautiful array of colors. So I used, how many did I use today? I used half of them today. I used 6. So maybe I'll do another look with the other 6 sometime. This will definitely be a palette that I'm pulling in with other palettes as well, just because of the color scheme and the lack of mattes that are in it. But this look I did use just these shadows for, so let's go ahead and get into this look. So to start off this look, right, there's very few mattes in this palette. I think I'm going to start off, are there any mattes? I think I'm going to start off with 10, which is this orange shade right here. So obviously I'm filming this before I film the swatches, and I've kind of been swatching, playing with it on my hands a little bit, and I'm not sure that I'm super excited about how these swatch. So we'll see how they perform on the eyes. pretty sure this is my first Lime Crime eyeshadows. So I'd say that's pretty good. So I'm really kind of patting these shades in. I definitely need to move you in, guys. I'm really kind of patting them in, and then to create a bit of a transition-ish shade, without putting anything else on, I'm just going to kind of push this color up a bit and blend it into the brow bone, not all the way up, but some up to give it a lighter orange color. Got you guys pulled in. Now, I don't know. I think I'm gonna do green. For the crease color, I'm just kind of playing with this today to see what we can get. This may be the only like real matte shade. That 10 orange color is more of a satin, I would say. So let's go ahead and see what happens when we pop this over the orange. That's pretty good pigment. I would say that covers up the orange pretty good. And once again, I'm just kind of patting this one into, because I want the green to be really vibrant. I don't want to lose it with blending it too much into the orange shade. And I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap this green shade around the outer V. And I might just do some pinks. I think I'm just going to do the rest of this pink, the top row. So I think I'm going to do a cut crease with this look today, and then use some of those different colors on the eyelid. So I'm going to go ahead and take my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I think I'm just going to do a half cut crease or 2/3 cut crease, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm just going back in with a smaller brush and applying some more of that green to the outer V so I know where I want to place it. I think I'm going to do these colors on a diagonal today, just something a little different than usual. So these shades definitely have some glitter to them, so I'm going to be using a fixing spray and then some little concealer detailer brushes. So I'm going to start with frosting and then do RSVP and then rose burst. So those are the order I'm going to go in. So frosting is going to go on the inner corner. And this one's going to come up quite a bit on the line part of the crease. And then the next one I'm going to take is RSVP, which is this one. It's more of a corally orange shimmer shade. And that one's going to go on the second diagonal. And then I want it to cover the rest of the cut crease area. So then that deep pink will only go in that little corner there. While I'm up here, I'm going to go ahead and blend this shade in with the green shade where it meets. And then the hot pink rose burst is just going to go on this little corner here. Make sure I've got these blended here. I'll probably go back in with a little bit of green as well. So those other two shades were shimmery glitter shade. Rose burst is more of just a shimmer shade, like a foiled metallic kind of shimmer shade. And that one is just going to go on this very little part that's left. So I definitely need to do some blending there with the green. Add just a little more of rosebud. Next I'm going to take, I just have this really tiny little brush. This is a Coastal Scents brush, and I'm going to take that green shade and just kind of blend right where those meet. This line is pretty well defined here. I'm just going to pop a little bit more to bring some pigment back to that green. For the lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead and go in with 10, the orange shade. And I'm just taking that little brush. I've really been enjoying this brush. At first I was like, what am I even going to do with that? But it is working well for me. For lots of different things. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do here is orange for the lower lash line with a little bit of green, which is grass, just right there to connect these. I want to put this yellow candles on the inner corner just to see how it works. Why not? Oh, that's pretty. Then I have my pink ColourPop gel liner in Boots that I'm going to put on the waterline. This one is so pretty. That goes so well with this look. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and I'm going to do my liner mascara, pick out a lipstick, and be back to show you the look. So I've got lashes and mascara on. I did go ahead and pick out a lip. I wanted a more neutral lip with this look, so I picked out, this is Hush Hush in the Buxom Lip Crayon, and then over it is the chocolate, L'Oreal chocolate line in Dose of Cocoa. So I did still get a little bit of color on the outside of the lip with the lip liner, but then I wanted a very nude lip with this look. I'm going to go ahead and put on some lashes. I picked out, these are from House of Lush Lashes in Temptress. I got these from a BoxyCharm. These are what I'm going to put on today. Let me show you guys them. They're some serious lashes. I hope they're not too long. This is my first time using these, and I don't like to clip them the first time because I like to get a feel of where I want to clip them, so I wear them their natural length before I clip them. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on and we'll kind of see where they sit. So I've got the lashes on. I am quite liking these lashes. I thought they were going to be too big for me, but they're not. And I don't think I actually need to clip them at all. So those are the Temptress from House of Lashes. And the palette. I definitely enjoy this look more than I thought I was going to like this palette. I thought I might be returning it when I started to swatch some of them, but I think I'm keeping it now. Okay, so first of all, this is a first impression. This is the first time I've used it. This is the first time I've swatched all of them. So I don't have a review from you or a recommendation whether you should purchase it or not. The shades I used today, I think they have great pigment. I think they applied nicely. Definitely use a fixing spray with those shimmer shades and glitter shades, but I really like how this look came out. I think I'm definitely going to do like a blue purple look with this palette as well. Let me know if you guys have tried this palette out or it was on your wish list and what you think of the look. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Please subscribe before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up and I will see you guys probably tomorrow or the next day. Bye!